Hello and welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, and thank you for joining me today. It's so energizing to walk out on a sunny day in my mighty little garden and watch it grow. The seeds that I planted turn into plants such as these beautiful tomatoes that are in their new trellis planters. So take a moment, go out in your own garden of life, whatever it may be, and enjoy it. Really look at it. Enjoy the arugula that you love, that I love to grow and eat. I love it in salads. I love it on sandwiches. I love it with eggs. Take a moment, look around, and one morning you may walk out and just find that there's beautiful little purple flowers coming out of empty branches on your lilac bush. The planters are all moved to their new location on the side yard. So that gave me back my rock area for putting my chairs. It's the sunniest spot during the cold winter days. The strawberries are planted both in my garden and the neighbor's garden. My hubby and bird both love them. So I'm looking forward to that. The citrus is ripening up. I'm thrilled with that. And then take a moment, look at a flower, really look at it. Take a look so close that you can really notice that these beautiful little yellow flowers have great ruffly leaves. Also, some of them get eaten because grasshoppers tend to like them. Look at the sunset as it goes. Look at the shining light in your garden of life and see how it enhances things in a different way. I even took some time this past week and set up a little bit of my fall decor outside. It's not a lot, but it's enough for now. And it's enough in the garden too. As you can see, my iris in the front yard is going back to sleep. So it's time for me to call it a day. My tools are put away and I'm heading back in. Oh, boo-hoo. Time to clean house next. Breathe in, breathe out, enjoy life. Thank you for watching Cindy's Artistic World. Please give us a like and subscribe and check out my other realms.